mukbang. And for our first mukbang, we are having
spicy noodles with cheese in them, inspired by Nikocado Avocado.
Thank you, Nick. We watch you all the time, and these look so good, so we decided to try it ourselves. So we're gonna go ahead and get in. We are ready. Go ahead and get a. Come on. I have my son behind the camera. He'll join us on some mukbangs. This is our spicy noodles. We went into our local Walmart and we got this pack. And that's what we're going to be trying today. We also have our water. And we'll just eat and talk to you guys. Okay. Let's go. So, let's see. This is so delicious. Spicy, but so delicious.
No.
Well, my daughter's gonna tell you a little bit. What's wrong? It's too spicy?
Mm-hmm.
It's spicy, but it's so good. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. But I want to tell you a little bit about me.
Then I'm just gonna eat.
Okay. So, a little bit about me is that I am 9 years old, and what about me? I like the color pink. My favorite out of my whole family is my mom and my grandma, and that's it about me.
And about me, I have 2 children. We're from Florida, Broward County. And I have a full-time job, and I watch mukbangs all the time with my daughter. And she wanted to create this channel, so I'm just giving it a try, just going ahead and having a little fun. I also created, for later on with my son, we're just waiting on the eggs, a little bit of a seafood boil, but that's off camera.
And
she doesn't eat seafood.
And what I have is hot dog from Walmart.
Really? Okay, so we're just gonna go. But anyways, guys, these noodles, let me tell you, they are so good and so cheesy. We actually cut up some mozzarella and put it in, and we watched Nick's video. So it's spicy though. It's really, really spicy. How's yours?
Good.
It's spicy? So this is, hold on. Sorry.
Can I have napkin?
Sure. You sure could. So the flavor, here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So the flavor, what we have is gooey. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, but the spicy seafood flavor. And it comes with 2 packets. I'll show you. It comes with the spice and then the veggies. So we use 3 packs of noodles, but we only use 2.5 of these packets, and we use 2 of these.
Yeah. So that's
and
it.
we use a lot of cheese because just like Nick, we also love cheese. So how are you guys doing today? How was your day? It's been raining in Florida?
We had to go to my mom's party
Mm-hmm.
for her job, and it was pouring down raining. I was sad because I didn't like thunder because it was like everybody was getting wet and it was flooding.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I think I like the parts that are filled with cheese better than the ones that are not.
I have a little bit more.
Hmm?
I have a little bit.
You didn't eat? I see some on your plate.
Okay.
But yeah, guys, we're not gonna make a full video very long. We just wanted to get things started, introduce you guys to us, and hopefully we'll be making a lot more videos because we love to eat good. So we're just, we were dying to try this, so we figured
It's burning
it's
my
very
lips.
spicy.
Sorry to cut you off, Mom.
No, that's okay. So we figured we would go ahead and try this on our new channel. So hopefully you like this video. This is not going to be a very long video because, like I said, we just wanted to try it. It's very delicious, very spicy. Once again, shout out to Nikocado Avocado. And thank you guys. And remember, you're not eating unless you're eating